Welcome Tigress to Zimbabwe.
Right.
Hello. How are you? Hi. You're welcome. Welcome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome to Kikobobo. Okay. How are you?
We're good.
Good. Okay.
Yes.
So, thank you for coming at Kikobobo. Did you guys like it? Okay, but before that, the things that we are supposed to do.
I can't be 100 kgs. So.
How many?
No, you can't be 100.
100.
100.
Yeah.
Hey.
It's my turn. Guys, I'm fat. Woo!
Thank you.
I will stop eating carbohydrates, calories. I will stop eating all those things. Oh. But it's not climbing.
Yeah.
It's time for safe drinking now.
Do you climb a helicopter or you what? What is it?
You ride.
You ride. You ride.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're going to ride the helicopter. It's not climbing.
Who's gonna take the front seat?
We are going to sit at the front.
It's one at the front.
No, what?
Because she came to collect news. She will sit at the front.
So she can sit in the front. So she can take the front seat. Then
Okay.
at the back. For communication, we've got some headsets.
Okay.
Just put it on your head.
All right.
Close your mouth. Then we can communicate to each other. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, enjoy.
Hey. Thank you.
Guys, we're going to
Great.
the helicopter. The Northern Boss, the African Tigress.
Do it bend. Do it bend. Yeah? So can everybody hear me?
this is your girl, Omara Boss from Zimbabwe, with your girl, Shumvares, all the way from Kenya. We are in the air in Zimbabwe, Big Falls. We're actually enjoying ourselves, and this is nice. We are literally enjoying ourselves. We were actually now about to land, and yeah, this is Zimbabwe. I mean, we should come and visit Zimbabwe. It's actually nice. Look, the good thing about being in a helicopter is that you will be sitting next to the pilot, seeing whatever you will be doing, and it's actually nice and very easy. And I was telling Shumaris that when I grow up, I want to be a pilot because it's so easy to pilot this aeroplane. Why are we landing? Can we go to Mombasa, please?
Now we are going to Zimbabwe.
Oh, so passengers on board, we are about to disembark. We are about to disembark. Make sure your seatbelt, fasten up your seatbelt because disembarking time is here. We are flying down now. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe out, breathe out.
The time is. Thank you for flying with us.
Thank you for flying with us. Please don't lose your baggage, please.
Don't fall until the safety belt. Loving it. It was amazing. We love it. Thank you.
Yellow, see you. Oh, you're going back on Sunday. Next week, Sunday?